Pretty soon, people might not have to work much at all. Machines are already faster, sleeker, and more efficient at doing stuff than most of us can imagine. Don't think so? Just watch and be amazed. And here, 2 machines are shifting the fence back into place now that the road work is all done. This automated garden tour is like a dream come true for every gardener. If you told someone from the 20th century that we could print buildings, they'd probably laugh at you. Well, take a look at this.
What did I tell you?
Nope, this isn't a car jacuzzi. It's actually part of an anti-corrosion treatment process. Today, machines are busy peeling fruits and veggies. Who knows, tomorrow they might be joining us at the dinner table. This excavator tackles a gigantic boulder as if it's shattering a delicate crystal ball, effortlessly and with precision. There's no need to clear the drain by hand anymore. This machine does an awesome job with a special attachment. Ideal for assisting with the harvest. Makes you wonder, can it also detect worms inside? I bet bees would trade their honey just to get their hands on this laser cutter. Every car mechanic's dream chair right here. Just take my money and hand over the keys to that car. No questions asked. With just a few tweaks, you can switch gears from being a biker to a landscape designer.
And modern problems require modern solutions.
This is how you fix railways, by pouring molten metal into holes and then shaping it perfectly with special tools. No need for a magic wand to cast Lumos anymore. This is awesome. A pruning shear with an integrated chainsaw and battery? Seriously, that's insanely cool. If you try to dodge your taxes, the cops can now track you down anywhere with gadgets like this one. With tech like this, evaders don't stand a chance.
I've been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I chose rich every fucking time.
I know about wristwatches, sundials, and wall clocks, but a water clock? That's next level cool, even by my standards.
Don't try to understand it.
Chili peppers can seriously irritate your skin, so having a mill like this is a real lifesaver. He's not cutting through the tire. He's just using laser technology to add markings to it. It's super simple. Just pour the powder into the mold, and before you know it, you've got yourself a plastic tub. This industrial magnet has the strength to lift up to 6 tons, which is about the weight of an entire African elephant. Tired of peeling eggs by hand? I've got some fantastic news for you.
Is he fucking awesome?
Something like this is way beyond what manual forging can achieve, but machines, they can handle this and a whole lot more. Where did you get this vase? I printed it. No, it's not some forbidden magic from outside Hogwarts. It's the magic of a 3D printer. And this endoscope, it'll open a path to Narnia, plumbing Narnia that is. When machines are at work, everything looks incredibly simple and utterly mesmerizing. Sorting recycling just got a whole lot easier with this magnet that snatches up metal waste.
Let me out of here. I need a...
It's a shame that the pioneers who built the first railways can't see this incredible technology today. A small tool that provides a massive advantage when repairing a chain. A nifty little gadget for rolling flawless ice cream cones. Just add ice cream.
What? Who told?
If you're feeling a bit off-kilter, this machine is perfect for you. Need to let out a scream? Make it purposeful with this. And this is how, in just a few minutes, you can have enough cards to supply an entire game room. Slicing through a rock with a giant chainsaw is nothing like cutting a lock. Concrete is tough and heavy, but even it can't stand up to the power of heavy machinery. Guys, watch out your fingers, please. Even humans wouldn't turn down a brush like this. Lucky cow indeed. This machine is slapping labels onto bottles faster and more accurately than you can mill. This super precise machine can mill without needing any help from humans. This machine is essentially creating a paved surface by printing concrete blocks. How much time do you think it would take if you did it manually? With a stove like this, even a tsunami won't throw us off course. This machine is crafting a massive and weighty cable as effortlessly as if it were sewing thread. It seems this mighty press can squash anything dropped from a height with ease. Looks like the creators took a cue from Thor's hammer. This is unquestionably surpassing what any human can do. When this vacuum cleaner is running, germs don't stand a chance. Definitely use a helper like this drone, which assists in cleaning the facade of tall buildings. Check out this awesome cobble slicer. Wow! With a printer like this, any design can come to life. It seems like wallpaper might become obsolete soon. This excavator is equipped with a large and robust magnet in place of a bucket, designed for unloading cargo. This tool is essential for baking, effortlessly spreading dough evenly on the baking sheet. I highly doubt a person could achieve this level of precision. While someone meticulously lays slabs by hand, this piece of machinery effortlessly lays down blocks in entire sections. Piece by piece? Not for Carl. Have you ever witnessed how baby chicks are sorted using a conveyor belt system? It's the most adorable thing you'll see all day. Be cautious. It's incredibly easy to get mesmerized watching this machine endlessly paint mahjong tiles. This special machine offers a highly convenient and efficient method for planting rice, far superior to the manual approach. A machine that slices pineapple for you? Seriously, I've seen everything now. A massive tree trunk gets sliced into incredibly thin layers, so thin they're almost paper thin, resembling timber chips.
This is not a knife, but this is a knife.
To cut through styrofoam, a hot wire is employed. The key is to be as confident in your movements as this worker. The ideal machine for introverts, playing table tennis solo without the need to interact with others. Just use a robot.
This is how effortlessly mesmerizing chain making appears. The individual skillfully bends pieces of metal into interconnected chains.
This machine produces flawless Hinckley. It's like an entire army of them.
Check out this chainsaw attachment for a drill. I wonder what other unique attachments are available for this versatile tool. With just one turn, your train could head to Texas instead of New York. It's all thanks to an efficient mechanism that switches the direction of the tracks. This piece of machinery, weighing 11,500 pounds, shatters thick concrete layers as easily as glass. Love Asian cuisine? This is what packing chopsticks looks like. Effortless. If you're still swinging an axe, check out this machine. Nothing fancy here, just a machine filling bags with water. Yep, that's right, into bags. If you need a thick metal cable, just set the parameters and let the machine do the rest. I wonder what else this machine can craft out of metal. Maybe something like Iron Man's suit. This machine makes tree crowning a whole lot easier. It ensures branches don't stick out at the sides, but grow upwards instead. This extractor effortlessly pulls stumps out of the ground one by one, I can't imagine people doing that without machines. The steel hammer was too tough for the shredder. I've never seen anything like it. A pocket saw? That's new to me. I've only ever heard of a pocket knife. Cleaning a ship's hull like this costs upwards of $20,000. Quite different from driving your car through a car wash. After seeing this, I'm seriously craving fries. How about you? With this hose attachment, you can conjure a water shield, a fantastic addition to your arsenal if you're a firefighter. If I can't tear my eyes away from this video, does it count as hypnosis? I'd probably trade my soul for a kitchen gadget that fills jars with sweet spread.